Are you tired of working for money? Don't be, because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways on how your money can work for you right now. What is up, everybody? It's me again, Rosalee, and I'm back with another video. Yes, this is going to be an exciting one. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome guys, and consider subscribing because I'm going to be releasing videos every week or sometimes every day to help you become successful online so you can have more time offline. Okay, before we dive in, please click that like button, share, and yes, subscribe. It will really help this channel and me create more videos like this. Okay, so let's get started. Here are the 5 ways on how to make your money work for you. Before we get into it, why is it important to know all of this stuff? Because traditional schools don't teach kids how to make money work for them. Okay, they don't teach them how to become wealthy. They only teach them how to become an employee, to work for other people. Okay, so now it's your job as a student, as a kid, or as a person to know this yourself. Okay, make your own effort to know this, to live the life that you wanted, to become wealthy, and how to make your money work for you. Okay, so what I'm going to share is you can make your money maybe weeks or months right away, and some of that it will take longer time for you to create a passive income. And I'm gonna be only sharing 5 ways based on my experience. There's still tons of ways that you can do this. Okay, number 1 is drop shipping. What is drop shipping? Okay, actually it is creating your own online store, okay, using a platform called Shopify. I actually created a separate video. I will put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so drop shipping, create your own online store, promote it through social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google Ads, okay, and have your supplier, okay, a third party, send your orders to your customers. Okay, so how does this work? Okay, so create an online store, right? And you promote it to social media. People from social media will go to your online store and then purchase something, a product on your store, and then you forward that order to your supplier, which is usually China, or sometimes you can find supplier also in the US for less shipping times. Okay, and when your customer order from your store, you forward their order to your supplier, and now the supplier will ship the order straight to your customer. Okay, so the good thing here is you don't have to touch your products that you are selling on your store. You don't even have to spend a lot of money upfront to buy the inventories. You don't even have to touch and feel the products that you're selling, which is good. Okay, that is a drop shipping. Number 2 is Amazon. Okay, sell products, high demand products on Amazon. Okay, so how to do this is to find the top selling products on Amazon, find a supplier, okay, and a wholesaler, and then ship it directly to Amazon and let Amazon do the work. Okay, so Amazon will be the one to pack your the products, the one that you're selling, and then ship it straight to Amazon. They also handle all the customer service, okay, and that also free some time for you. You don't have to handle all the logistics. You don't have to print the shipping labels. You don't have to box the product. You don't have to ship it out yourself, and Amazon will be the one doing that. Okay, it's called Amazon FBA. FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, which is really good. Okay, it frees up all your time. You just have to spend your time researching those high demand products, and then just wait your paycheck. Okay, so that's very good. I also will link in the description on how you can learn this Amazon FBA. Number 3 is real estate. Okay, I learned this from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, turning your home from liability to an asset. Okay, so it will take time. Of course, you will have to save money to purchase a home. okay? And after you purchase a home, rent it out, okay? And sometimes if you purchase a home that you want to live in, purchase a home that have a 2 units, okay? You will live either in the on the main level and rent out the basement, or you live in the basement and then have the main level rented out, okay? So your house will not be a liability for you. It will become an asset because it brings up an income, a monthly income for you. Number 4th way is to come up or create a course or a training, okay, of your expertise. You know, everybody, all of us is a unique individual. Nobody can copy or know what you already have, okay? So if you can create a training or a course out of something that you really love, you really are passionate about, and you really master, or you know, then it can create a passive income in the long term. Let's say, for example, if you want to create a course or a training on how to lose weight, okay? But don't just be creating a course on how to lose weight, because it's very general. Try to niche it out, okay, further. So let's say, for example, you can do is how to lose weight after maternity, okay, postpartum, for a working mom, something like that. So it's very niche. You target a very niche group of people, moms, working moms who just gave birth. You will put a lot of effort, okay, just in the beginning, creating the training or the course. But if it's done, then all you need to do is to advertise it and market it, and then it can give you a passive income in the long term. You just have to tweak it if there's some changes along the way, but again, that will give you a long-term passive income in the end. So my number 5 tips is a YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel can give you a passive income later on. If you keep posting videos that are relevant to your audience, then in the long term, you know, if they keep watching your videos and they find that you're providing very good content and very helpful for them, then you will have more views, you will have more subscribers. And let me tell you this, that average earning per views on YouTube is, per 1,000 views, is average $4. Okay, so imagine that if you have accumulate 1 million views, that's 4,000 passive income. And it will be, in the beginning, okay, it will become hard for you to gain traction in the beginning. So you have to do is to just keep posting videos, you know, keep creating videos in the beginning, so you will get the momentum. In the end, you know, it will have a snowball effect, and you will grow your channel faster. You will get more views and more income in the future. Okay, so that's just my 5 ways on how to make your money work for you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, please click the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and again, I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.